In this candy apple tutorial, I will show you how to make metallic gold candy apples and luster dust gold candy apples. This is Candy Apple TV, and I am your host and founder, DIY Queen Diva. Using the best candy apple recipe on the planet when you have so many apples to dip, that's 6 for 1. 6 cups of sugar, 4 cups of water, and 1 cup of corn syrup. You want to stir this. You don't want this to be thick. I am using Chef Master's Metallic Gold, and you can find this down in the description box in the link below.
Okay, so I have some luster dust here,
which can also be found in my Amazon bake shop.
And I am just going to add lemon extract. And this is gold. And you just stir it. So I'm going to put that to the side. Okay, so my candy has reached 300 degrees and I'm going to use some gold. Just shake it up.
I want my candy apples to be a deep gold, a pretty gold, so I am going to add some more metallic gold and give it a stir.
Because this is water-based, you will have steam coming up.
I also waited to add my flavor when my candy apple mixture reached 280 degrees.
You just stir real good. This is a pretty gold.
To make sure you stir this candy apple mixture up really good because you want your color to be even.
Okay. And make sure your apple is all the way down and dip. Oh, this is beautiful.
Okay, so this is the Chef Master's Metallic Gold, and this is what I prefer when I am making gold candy apples.
Beautiful. I'm gonna let this candy drip and scrape. This is what the candy apple looks like.
I am placing my candy apple on parchment paper. Okay, so here with my next candy apple, I will be painting on the gold luster dust so you can see the difference between the two, the Chef Master's Metallic Gold Airbrush food coloring and the luster dust gold.
These are so pretty. I don't even want to mess this up. I don't want to mess this candy apple up with luster gold, with the luster dust, but I'm going to show you the difference.
So don't get me wrong, it just comes down to your preference, whether you like the Chef Master's Airbrush food color or the luster dust. This is what the Chef Master's Metallic Gold Airbrush food coloring looks like before I add on the luster dust. Again, this is my preference, but let me show you what it looks like with the luster dust.
We're going to paint this one with the luster dust.
I'm I'm just adding in some more lemon extract and a little more gold luster dust. I am going to also switch out my treat brush for another one, so that my color can be smooth and even on the apple, so you can compare the two and make the choice to use the gold luster dust or the metallic gold by Chef Masters. To add just a little more lemon extract just to thin the luster dust down a little, just a little. It's a little too thick. I want this to be really smooth, and it may just be this treat brush. I really do need to switch out my treat brush, so let me go ahead and get that, or let me see, will this work? So again, this is your preference. If you want to use gold luster dust or Chef Masters Metallic Gold Airbrush food coloring, it's absolutely your choice. I just want to show you the difference, what the two looks like compared to each other. I'm so hard-headed. So let me get my other treat brush to smooth it out. To smooth out the gold luster dust so the candy apple can be also cute and smooth. Okay, make sure you leave down in the comment section below which candy apple you prefer, the luster dust or the metallic gold. So I am going to put them side by side. On the left side is the metallic gold, and on the right side is the luster dust gold. So let me know down in the comment section below which candy apple you prefer. I just prefer the metallic gold airbrush food color. This is the luster dust. I need to look at them again side by side. Now, they are both cute, so make sure you let me know down in the comment section below which one you love better. This is the metallic gold, and this is the luster dust gold. If you have enjoyed this candy apple tutorial, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in a few seconds over in the next video.